So welcome to Mill Bay Nature School. My name's Kim Ondrick and I'm the head learner here.
My name's Lawrence Weston. I'm the emotional support lead for the school and also a clan leader in the Dandelion clan. Quishinto was a word that was given to us by Tusilam, our elder that works with us. He looked at our school and said, this is what we needed. And Quishinto is a Hulkaminam, and it stands for is walking together. And it's been an interesting walk together because building a brand new school and building a new culture, there's a lot of walking together, and it was really where we needed to be this year, and we worked very hard this year on walking together as a community.
So for the month of February, we have taken up something called the Respect campaign. We've been talking about it throughout all of February. And the Respect Challenge came from the idea that a lot of us were struggling with being respectful. And we were noticing as a staff that we were having lots of conversations about disrespect. And we decided that we needed to figure out some sort of strategy or technique that the children could experience respect and start to make it more tangible for them. We decided that we would give out tickets and that there would be some sort of something that would entice the kids to want to participate in it. I approached all the staff and even district staff and our elders and asked them if they would be willing to provide an experience for the children whose name was pulled from the raffle. There's a tally marks underneath that is encouraging mathematical thinking in terms of statistically which one am I most likely to win. So what we've noticed with the campaign, which is still going until next week, is that the children have become more aware of respectful behavior overall. Even if they're not receiving tickets, this idea of love and respect flows out of Quishinto.
Respect means, well, helping other people.
I think respect is being aware and Quishinto.
Helping other people when they're hurt or having a hard day. Respecting other people's boundaries and stuff.
I think the campaign is one thing, but it's really representative of a larger thing that we do here. And I think I've spoken about the community and the democratic environment, but it really is about the conversations that we have. We talk to each other. We really teach the kids how to problem solve to the point where they're doing a lot of the problem solving and working with each other. And we find in doing that, it takes a bit of patience. You have to wait. Building community takes time and you have to believe in it. But when it does happen, it's pretty amazing and pretty powerful how quickly things can change once you have the support of your whole community, parents, the district, the staff, and of course the kids.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T, find out what it means to us.